Hello, welcome back to BGRS Affiliates. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw your earnings on Nuvia. Yes, this video will be guiding you through the whole process on how you can withdraw your money on Nuvia, including how to enter the exact amount that you want in the right way, and also uh, how to select your wallet, like knowing the type of wallet that you need to select and what each of the wallets stand for. So this is what we are going to do on the video. But first of all, before you begin with any withdrawal, you need to update your bank details. I've already shown us how to update bank details on my previous video, but in case you didn't watch that particular video, you can go and watch it. It's very simple. Or you can head over to profile like this. When you click on the profile, then you click on bank. Just put in your bank details, select the type of bank that you want. That's all. So after you might have done with that, then you come back here. Okay, after that you are going to see your account details here. This is where you are going to see your account. If you update your bank details, you are going to see your bank details right here. You are going to see your account number and the account name. So after that might have been done successfully, this is what you need to do. You head over and click on withdraw. So just tap on this withdraw right here. When you click on withdraw, this is where you need to click on this particular place. When you tap on it, so I am going to be explaining what each of these mean. As you can see right here, we have mentorship reward, we have Nuvia Promo, and we also have royalty. So what are the meaning of this? If you want to withdraw, which wallet are you actually going to select when withdrawing your money on Nuvia? So this is what I will be showing you right now. So let's start with the last one, which is the royalty. So by selecting this particular one, by selecting royalty, this particular portal stands for streaming earnings. Yes, when you want to withdraw your streaming earnings, the wallet that you need to select is the royalty wallet. So you just need to come and click on the royalty wallet to select it. After you select it, you can now enter the amount, but we are coming. Then the second one is the Nuvia Promo. What is Nuvia Promo? The Nuvia Promo is the earnings gotten from performing social media tags like TikTok likes, commenting on Instagram posts, Facebook, and any other social media tags. Aside that, we also have mentorship rewards. This is the commission you get when you register someone using your link. Yes, they are the amount accumulated through registering people, or you got from registering your downlines. So if you are withdrawing that particular money, this is the wallet that you need to select. But I know like 70 to 80% of us are tax earners, and this is what we will love to do. I know we are going for this particular two wallets right here. So let's start with the royalty wallet, which is the streaming earnings. So if you want to withdraw your streaming earnings, all you need to do is to click on the wallet, then you select royalty. After clicking on the royalty, the next thing that you need to do is to enter the amount. How can you enter the amount? For example, if you want to withdraw, let me use 800,000 naira as an example. You don't need to type it like this, 800, then you put comma, or you type it like this. No, you are not typing your 800,000 naira like this. It doesn't require any comma. So if you want to withdraw 800,000 naira, this is how to type it. You type it like this. So if you are withdrawing 2,000, or let me say 40,000 naira, you just need to type 40,000. So this is how to type 40,000 instead of you typing 4 comma then 40 comma 000. So this is not how to type it. For the purpose of this video, I'll be using 800,000 naira as an example. So all you need to do is to just type 800,000 naira. So after typing your 800,000 naira like this, the next thing that you need to do is, okay, I didn't explain this one. The wallet type that you need to select, you need to select bank transfer, because you want this money to be paid into your local bank account. You don't want to use USDT, you don't want to use USDT or PayPal. So if you want to get this money on your commercial bank or fintech bank, you only need to select bank transfer. So you click on the bank transfer before you now enter the amount. After that, the next thing you need to do is to hit on proceed. So after clicking on proceed, this is what you are going to see. What you are seeing right now is what you are going to see. So that is how you can withdraw your streaming or royalty earnings on Nuvia. If you want to withdraw from another wallet, this is how you do. You repeat the same process. Like if you want to withdraw from Promo Wallet, which is your social media this thing, then you only need to click on Promo, enter the amount, and you click on proceed, which is the same process that we did on the first one. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this.